Good morning, friends. Now we are discussing numericals in queuing system of module number 4 in the subject operations research. The question states like this. So the people arrive at a cinema ticket booth in a Poisson distributed arrival rate at 25 per hour. So that is in 1 hour. So number of people arriving at the cinema ticket booth is 25. So service rate is exponentially distributed with an average time of 2 minutes per customer. So for one customer, the serving time is an average of 2 minutes. So calculate the mean number in the waiting line, the mean waiting time, the mean number in the system, the mean time in the system, and the utilization factor. So mean number in the waiting line. So how many people are waiting on an average in the line? So what is the mean waiting time? What is the mean number? So average number in the system, that is both waiting in the queue and at the service counter. And the mean time, so that is the time spent by the spectator, so in the system, both waiting in the queue as well as at the ticket counter. So arrival rate given as 25, so lambda is 25 per hour. Service rate mu, so that is 2 per minute. So it is okay. So 30 per hour. Either both should be expressed in minutes or expressed in hours. So 2 per minute means so it is 30 per hour. So length of the queue. So LQ. So that is lambda square divided by mu into mu minus lambda. So lambda is substituted as 25 and mu is substituted as 30. So it is 4.17 persons. So at any point of time, if the queue is seen, so there will be an average of 4 persons. So expected waiting time in the queue, so that is WQ, lambda divided by mu into mu minus lambda. So that is 1 by 6 hours the answer is coming. So it is 10 minutes. So the person is standing in the queue for 10 minutes. So then expected waiting time in the system. So that is WS is equal to 1 divided by mu minus lambda. So it is now mu substituted as 30, lambda substituted as 25. So it is 1 by 5 hours. So that is 12 minutes. So utilization factor is lambda by mu. So that comes to 83.34 percentage. Then another numerical here. So a TV repairman finds that the time spent on his job has an exponential distribution with mean time of 30 minutes. So that is he gets 30 minutes of time to get repair a TV on an average. If he repairs in the order in which they come in, and if the arrival of the TV set is approximately Poisson with an average rate of 10 per 8 hours a day. So if he is working for 8 hours a day, so he is getting an average of 10 sets in a day. So what is the repairman's expected idle time each day? So how much time he is getting relaxed without working? How many jobs are ahead of the average set just brought in? Okay, from the data given in the problem, we have lambda. So that is for 8 hours, the number of sets he is receiving is 10. So it is for 8 hours. So it is 10 by 8. So in 8 hours 10 sets. So in 1 hour how many? So 1 into 10 divided by 8. So that is 5 by 4 sets per hour. And mu. So mu is our service rate. So it is 1 over 30 into 60. So that is 30 minutes. So his service rate is on a TV set is 30 minutes. So half an hour for one system or one set. So it is 2 sets per hour. So both are expressed in hours. So it is asked to find what is the repairman's expected idle time each day? So it is the number of hours for which the repairman remains busy in an hour, right? 8 hours a day. So that is the traffic intensity. So that is given by, so it is for 8 hours he is working. So it is lambda by mu. So it is 5 by 8. So it is okay. So he is working for 8 hours a day. So hence the idle time for the repairman in an 8 hours a day is 8 minus 5. So that is equal to 3. So number of hours for which the repairman is remaining busy, right? So that is 5 hours we are getting. So the idle time for the repairman in an 8 hours a day is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So expected number of TV sets in the system. So it is LS, that is the length of the system. It is given by lambda divided by mu minus lambda here. So that is mu is 2 sets per hour, lambda is 5 by 4. So we are getting here the ratio is 5 by 3. So rounding off, so 2 TV sets. So that will be the average number of TV sets in the system. So that is both waiting for the service to be get done and the TV set which is under repairman's hand. So it is approximately 2 TV sets. Thank you, friends.